Introducing the Lazy Spa Hawaii Hydrojet Pro. Relax and unwind in your very own lazy spa. Designed for 4 to 6 people, the Hydrojet Pro massage system is powered by 8 directional and flow adjustable water jets, as well as 120 surrounding air jets. This rejuvenating massage offers a similar massage experience to a fixed hot tub for a fraction of the price. Easy to set up and ready for water in just minutes, the Lazy Spa's rapid heating system heats the water up to a blissful 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Save energy with a new timer-controlled heater unit. Now you can set the heater to come on to suit your schedule. The spa's heater unit features a useful storage space for chemicals and accessories. Now it's your time to relax and unwind in your very own lazy spa.